Today we're starting on the gearbox swap. I'm going to go through the Haynes manual and find out what is what I need to do first, and do it by the book. That way there shouldn't be any problems. Okay, so I've had a good read up of what I need to do. I have also got some spare containers for putting the nuts and bolts in. What I might do as well is get some Ziploc bags and just make a note of where these bolts go, keep them all safe, keep them all in order. So the first job is to start taking the interior out, taking the centre console out and the gear levers and all that kind of stuff. So that is what we're going to do now. There we have it. That is the gear lever and transfer box lever mechanism. Unfortunately, I've run out of time. I've got to start getting ready and go to work. But we've made a good start. The top of the gearbox is now visible and we can start taking the lever off and the transfer box lever off. That will be coming up in the next video, and then hopefully we can start taking some more bits off, ready for the gearbox to be dropped out of the car. Exciting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give it a like if you've enjoyed the video and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.